things we cannot see. I would cross the sky forever. It's only just begun. I know you will agree.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my home. If you are new, my name is Lesa, and I'm glad that y'all are all here with me today. It is finally time for me to do some spring deep cleaning. We're in my bedroom today. We are doing top to bottom, corners, everything in between, all of it. My son's graduation from high school is coming up, and we're hosting a party here at my home. So I delayed my spring cleaning a little bit so that it is all fresh and ready for that here in May. So we're just going to jump right in. We're going to get so much done. I'm starting here with my long Swiffer pole. I'm dusting the ceilings, the trim, the walls, just making sure everything is free of dust and no cobwebs or anything like that up here on the walls. I like to do this periodically throughout the year, but a good, thorough deep cleaning feels so good, doesn't it? How many of y'all out there have finished your spring cleaning? How many are late to start? Although I hate to use the word late because it's never late. It is on your timing and what works with you. Maybe you do summer cleaning. My mom was a school teacher, and so when we had summer break, we knew that was the time that we were going to do projects and work on things that required extra time and effort like this because the school year was so busy. And then we knew in the fall we'd be very busy again with school starting and my dad being a farmer, so harvest was coming. So, it was always summer cleaning. That's why I don't like to say that you're late in your spring cleaning, because for each of us, we have different life circumstances and schedules. So here we are, we're getting it done, and I'm going to bring you along for a lot of motivation and inspiration.
Things to make us all feel better. What I may have, what I may own, I give it all. Like a desert in the sun, my heart and heavy eating head.
When I'm doing a deep, thorough clean like this, I like to move as much furniture as possible. Here in the bedroom, the dressers, the bed, all of that is way too heavy to move, so I love that long Swiffer pole. It goes back behind the furniture so I can get the baseboards and the walls. I also like to use my spray away on my trim here. It is painted, so it's the perfect cleaning product to wipe those down and get them free of any grime. That sticky, sometimes stuck on dirt and dust. Yeah, the spray away gets that off of there. I use my long extended pole here on my vacuum as much as possible to get underneath the furniture where I can. And it's progress over perfection. If I wanted to wait for my husband to be home to help me move everything, sure, I could pull everything out and vacuum really well, but this is real life and this is realistic for me and what I'm able to accomplish.
You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my.
For now, since my sheets were clean, I did them earlier this week. It was not time to clean them again. I'm putting this blanket down so that any of the dust I stir up doesn't fall on my clean sheets. It is much easier to just wrap this blanket up and throw it in the wash when I'm done. I'm going to be taking this large medallion this picture. I don't know, what would this be called? Wall art. I'm going to be taking this large wall art down, and I have a new landscape picture from Tailored Canvas that I'm going to be putting up here in its place. I have shared Tailored Canvas with you in the past, and y'all absolutely loved them, and I think you will enjoy this as well. They are 100% designed, made, and shipped from here within the USA. They work with amazing artists to personalize canvases that you are going to love and that will look and feel homey. Their philosophy is to create canvases that will enhance the decor of any space in your home. You can tell that it was very well packaged. Both of the canvases that I have picked out and received from Tailored Canvases come well packaged and in pristine condition. They are well constructed. They have a thick edge that is wrapped with the canvas so you don't have any exposed seams or areas. The back is solid and sturdy. You have well-made hanging hooks. They are so easy to install on your wall. The options are endless on their website. You can get them personalized with your name. You can get portraits done of like wedding pictures and any kind of special memory you would like to capture. I picked this print, which is Sunny Morning Wheatfield. It is 48 inches by 24 inches. I'm going to hang it over my bed. If you would like to take advantage of my 15% off code on your order, I'll drop that here. It is Lesa15. Lesa 15, and I will have all their details down in the description box, their website linked. Use that code and get 15% off of your personalized canvas. I definitely stand behind Tailored Canvas and their integrity and invite you to give them a try.
It ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Tell me when you've had enough. When all is said and done, you still feel the fascination. You can blame it on my love. I guess my heart is won. All the freedom you've been chasing.
I finished with my cleaning here over the bed so I could get my husband to help me hang my tailored canvas. It was something I could have done on my own, but why struggle when you have helping hands? We're going to just put it up here, and I am so happy with how it looks. It is setting the stage for my next video, which is a little decorate with me here in my bedroom. I got a few new things to spruce this area up. I have not done anything major in my bedroom as far as like new bedding and decor in 5 years. So it was definitely time for something new. Another big thank you to Taylor Canvas for gifting me this beautiful Sunny Morning Wheatfield portrait. I am very happy to be affiliated with you. So thank you, Tailored Canvas.
What I may have, what I may own, I give it all, like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy.
Fun and games are over and we're back to cleaning. I like to do top to bottom so that obviously any top dirt doesn't fall on clean surfaces. And then I like to work in areas going around the room. This is because there's so much up and down on the ladder, and especially when I'm filming, moving the camera and tripod and all of that, it just makes it easier to go around the room in small areas. Here is a cleaning hack for you. I use this all the time on my faux greenery. Get you a can of compressed air and blow out your faux plants and greenery flower arrangements. Anything delicate that is hard to dust with a traditional rag or Swiffer, use that can of compressed air on it and it will keep it dust free.
Will you show 'Cause I will wait night and day. You will see.
Raider is my trusty sidekick and supervisor, always by my side, making sure I get the job done right. You will see me vacuum a lot, especially when I deep clean. I like to minimize the amount of dirt in every little area that I have been working on, so I give it a quick pass through. You'll see already in the earlier part of the video how I cleaned the cracks and crevices underneath like I could with the long hose. And then at the very end, I will give it a good thorough vacuuming over the entire room when I'm completely done cleaning. Let me know down in the comments if you do your carpet shampooing yourself or if you hire that out. I think either way is fine. If you hire it out though, they can seal the carpet and put a Scotch Guard and stain repellent down on it. And I think that they are equipped to do a really good job. Carpet cleaning, I'm going to leave to the professionals. So no shampooing of carpets for me, and I am not the least bit upset because that is one more job that I don't have to put on my to-do list.
Meantime, my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Like a desert in the sun, desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy.
I love my shark vacuum and the way that it disassembles like this so that I can clean underneath my bed without any problem. And I can do this all the way around and like to do this frequently, not just once a year. There are a lot of things, right, that we need to do often, even though they're considered like spring cleaning type items.
Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy.
If you have been around, you have heard me say this so many times, but it is absolutely true. We have horrible dust storms and sandstorms where I live. I get a lot of dirt, like sandy dirt, in my windows. I'm going to vacuum that out first, and then I'm going to spray them down and clean them. I will do the outside of the windows because they are in desperate need of it, but I want to wait closer to the party date because they will just end up needing it again. And we're going to work smarter, not harder.
Heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy.
Not a sound sneaking out through your window into the night where we were meant to be. Skipping town, searching for nowhere land. Ready or not, this might be.
I'm going to clean my plantation shutters here with some sprayway. These are painted sealed shutters, so that works on these just like it did on my trim.
Last chance. Maybe tonight we could make it count. This is what we waited for. No looking back.
And then again, sprayway glass cleaner here on my chandelier. I think I need them to sponsor me, right? I use them and share them with you all the time. It is my favorite glass cleaner. Through the magic of editing, I'm going to get to clear away all my bedding so we can start working on the deep clean in this area of my bedroom. I wish it went that quick. So much faster than in real life. So once again, top to bottom, we're going to tackle this area and get it clean.
We started something I can never let go. I'm keeping you close to me. We don't need no sleep. And I know we will be alright. If only for tonight. If only for tonight. under the sky. We're catching lightning in a bottle. Windows down, feel the summer breeze. Maybe tonight we could make it count. This is what we've waited for. Maybe tonight we could make it out.
I hope that my love and passion for homemaking and housekeeping is inspiring you and motivating you to take on your own home today, to get up and accomplish something. I am all about progress and not perfection here. I have had to learn that through many years of hard work because I am by nature a perfectionist. But I am getting older, if you haven't noticed, and it gets harder to do the things that I need to do and want to do around my house. So I am learning to give myself a lot of grace and mercy, and I hope that is something that you can do for yourself and your home as well.
We got nothing else to prove. No looking back. We started something I can never let go. I'm keeping you close to me.
Don't forget to clean behind your doors, the baseboards and the carpet back there, as well as the door itself. I have raised panel doors, so I make sure to get those wiped down and dust free. So taking that blanket away and gonna make up my bed to a point because like I said, right after this, I am filming my very next video for you guys. It is going to include some home decor here in my bedroom. I've got some new bedding, a revamp for you, and it's going to be a great way to show you how you can create an entire new look without buying a complete new bedding set, as well as a few great pieces that I am adding to this space. I am loving it. My husband loves what I did. He said he thinks it looks really good. So I invite you to come back for that video and enjoy some home decor, decorate with me. Until then, let's finish here getting everything cleaned and ready for this graduation party. I cannot believe how fast it is coming, and I'm so sad because this is my baby and he's not such a baby anymore. He's done a great job and I am so proud of him.
Need no sleep, and I know we will be alright. No time to waste. Wanna see it all. Let me see it all. Let's find a place, call it home tonight. Only you and I, no looking back. We started something I can never let go.
This is that final vacuum I mentioned. I love doing this at the very end. Anytime I clean a room, the vacuum lines, just the freshness of it makes it feel like the cherry on top. I want to thank you for being here and watching today. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to spend part of it with me. And another big thank you to Tailored Canvases. Don't forget to use that code Lesa15 for 15% off your order. Check them out down in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to be a part of the Uniquely Lesa family. Until I see you in that next video, I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.
I'm keeping you close to me. We don't need